man, then you know sex.
No, if you think you're not for sex.
Yeah, and that me I do, me I go find somebody else.
And let the film come in
when not send, when you push it and check out, not send, now come out with it.
And I can't find someone else and I know they're not telling me that.
Yeah, that's how you do a hypocrite. What's up guys, I don't know say it's about Nathan, and as you can see guys, I'm there by myself, so you know say a prank time right now. I'm going to pull a prank pan CC. I'm going to tell her, say, yo, our kitty stink, you see me guys? So, I want you to like, share, comment and subscribe. You see me guys? Make sure you turn on the post notification bell, make sure you watch the ads them, you see me? Please, because you know say that support it, so please me I beg you guys, don't skip the ads them. And guys, some people boy, let me tell you, guys, you see, if you don't like what we're doing, or when you have a problem with something what we are do, you can't just leave it alone, ignore it, because I don't like so we can't answer certain people, you know guys, and certain comments. We just choose not to. And more while it me I tell you say reach this far, that's me I say yo me I'm fed up of it. But I just love it the same way. I just calm myself and make it go on. So, people, please, me I beg you know. I'm going to try to set up the camera and do this epic, you see me, guys? I don't know how I'm going to come off it, but I want you to stay tuned, watch the whole live video. Go over to his second channel and subscribe, you see me, guys? Yeah. So, basically, I wonder if I do it up here, so. Or what? I go just tell her, say, yo, I don't like how you keep there's something smell. Something smell fishy. Let's see if we catch her reaction and see what she gonna do, what she gonna say. And then thing there. You see me guys, so make sure you stay tuned. Watch your full videos. Yeah guys. Yeah guys, so you just stay tuned, my car and make sure you like guys, isn't it? Comment, share and subscribe guys. Turn on the bell, see me guys, and please watch it at them for us. Kalisha! 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 What's this me over? What's this over me? Just remember say only for what's this thing. My God. She's coming guys. Come here, Kalisha. Cause you come my way, none the too bad our brain. Chewy. But yeah, let's see. Show me from long time now, recently. Come here now, me. I want to talk to you about something. You don't want nobody here, though. Come here now, man. Me don't want nobody else here. You see how far we carry you? Your belly still out too? No one talk to you about something. You don't want nobody here. Stop going like that only man. I'm still calling you what's this? You're fat. You're fat though. Alright, look at me. You see? Try with you. Try with you. You know why I feel that way when I tell you, you know? I don't feel no way because I need to tell you. Because when you make me just do one prank for you, you know, I'm going to tell you more, it's never way and I just prank. And see how you pick up and I go on. See how you go on? This condition, you know how I feel that way. I still love you. Wow. What you think? I still love you and everything. Now feel like that change, nothing. You see. But you see for how you be when you're there for your period. For how you for your period start me a smell. And like dead fish then. And me not like it and I say me have to tell you.
Are you still there so with me? Till when period done?
Because me a good man. You know like Kalisha.
Move from here.
Kalisha, why me a talk to you? Stand up right here and talk to
Yeah,
you.
you will.
I don't like it, B. I really don't like it because it smells too funky, too foully, and me not like it, it smells raw. And see a period done there, and you something still smell bad.
You not talk to me.
Kalisha, what you mean me a talk to you? Me a tell you the truth, B.
Who for something stink, you just dig down in it every day dig down in it and it stink?
Who
Every day
dig down
you
in
eat
it?
it.
It smells
Every
bad.
morning you and then you
Don't tell a lie for me. It smells bad.
Who for it? You eat from the morning?
It don't smell right, B. Me a man.
You're
Me
so
can't tell you
right.
nothing. Me can't tell you nothing and you don't feel no way. So it don't make no sense.
Yeah, after uncle. You smell right?
Of course.
We are.
You ever smell my shit yet?
When?
That smell like dead rat.
We are.
And no, that one 10 shots to block it. Kalisha, come here, son of man. And stop walking while me a talk to you. Stop walking, man. And come here, son. Stop walking when me a talk to you. Come here, so back. Kalisha, come back here, son of man. You, where you get your styling from?
Where you get fear styling from?
Me can't talk.
That's Oreo.
Don't tell me about no.
Oreo. Oh, there's not going to walk on it from me dead sea.
What are business do you want to do? You know no
You come
respect
and
and you know no manners.
Move
You know no manners and you know no respect. Come here tell you, it don't smell right as a man and me a go in there and me say I go in there and it a kill me.
So the freak you are going to them for? Where you are deep down in the for? Where you are go down in the for?
So me a woman then, me not sex.
No, if you think you're not the same.
Me and that me a go do me a go find somebody else.
And that's a fit to come in and
when
stop
not
you.
send. When you push in and take out, not send, now come out with it.
And I can find someone else and I know they're not telling me that.
Yeah, that's how you do a hypocrite.
Move from
A
here.
real man never always tell you the truth, be say it not smell right if it not smell right.
Yeah, but like you smell right. Does something smell right?
Of course,
Smell something.
fresh. Fresh.
Does something smell like candy and candy water?
Fresh. Them style they don't try to look up.
Me no business.
Say if you can't look
Me
forward,
no
it
business.
can't work.
Me not look no forward but
Kalisha, as me I say, as your man here tell her say it don't.
Nathan, fuck you. You're not smell good.
No smell better than every good fire.
Better than...
Every good fire be. You don't like to hear the truth.
I want to put for this and call me.
So we can't
I sleep. Me not go sleep.
It don't matter, it don't matter.
No, call me.
Me and your man.
Come chat about stinking for every day one and stinking pussy. You idiot.
So I'm to that. Boy every day. From find out say it smell, me no want in there again.
Then leave it to somebody else to take it.
So you don't care if it's somebody else you want it
I
then?
will do so. There's no problem with that.
Nobody now go want that.
And it's not like if you're going to somebody else, I care zero.
Nobody now is not gonna want that.
Oh, you
And that
know
you have to
that.
understand.
You
Because it's not
know,
ready yet.
you know.
It's not ready yet. It's not ready yet. Yeah, you are going, it's not ready yet. It's not ready. It's up on zero level. It smell bad. It not look good. Everything that is bad. Right now, me I smell it.
You're not foolish, you guys. You watch
Could it?
that fly past, no,
As they
no,
shake, me I smell it. Stay one place. You know what kind of stinking kitty you are carrying with.
Thinking kitty like a blood. Later, no,
And I can't tell you nothing. I can't tell you say it don't smell good or something. You are get mad. Come here, I want to you. I don't like this style with it. You need to build.
You don't know the kitty thing?
Yeah?
You don't know that all along in India, everything? All along, so long? And you need to know? And then you come check out your mouth?
I don't like it, B. I don't like how it smell.
Then go find someone else.
If me have to continue that problem, they have to go fix. You have to go bleach it out and change it out and then Listerine and then something they have to go in there.
Your mouth.
You need to do
Listerine
that
in your mouth.
and
Listerine
quality.
custard.
It was sanitized, B. It was sanitized. The quarantine time now, you know.
Sanitize the custard, they will pay you something.
Your kitty was sanitized, B. It was sanitized.
One for them, if you look dirty shot, the way you have them all sanitized.
Me say your kitty was
You
sanitized.
custard, they full of-
It was sanitized. The kitty was sanitized, B. And be with the right and proper
You
way.
can't believe that if you call me up here. So.
What we call it for?
You come tell people them to fuck prayer. You know people see you long and then you have to check out.
So what am to that? What am to that?
You don't have no sense. No sense you don't have.
Who don't have no
You
sense?
don't have no sense Nathan as far as you
Come like your mother or something here. Stick in your brain or something. I can't come to you and I can't tell you say something wrong. Eh? You gonna get mad if I tell you say something wrong? In Kalisha?
Nathan, leave me alone.
Who will leave you alone?
You keep it stink, leave me alone.
With it stinking something. Don't put your hand on me. Cause I not like how it smell. Me not like how it smell. It smell proper to you?
Nathan,
It smell proper to you? Me ask you if it smell proper to you.
Stop no Nathan, man.
It smell properly. Give more properly. It smell proper to you. Watch out. Go look
Bright
for camera
and
and
out
fix up. Guys, it wasn't epic. It wasn't epic. But like, share, comment and subscribe because you see a boy Nathan Ketchar. Stop put your foot on me now. You see a boy Nathan Ketchar, guys. For more to know for just like, share, comment and subscribe. Turn on the bell. You see me, guys? Make sure you turn on the bell. Watch it ads them through it, guys. That I support now in a stink. I prank me a prank. Yeah, guys. So just stay tuned till we have our next video.